This guy over here is an eastern box turtle. The eastern box turtle's scientific name is Terrapina corallina. Box turtles are extremely long-lived. They can live up to 25 to 35 years or more. They are slow to mature and then will raise only one clutch of offspring per year. In each clutch there will be between 2 and 8 eggs. These turtles are primarily terrestrial and live in a variety of areas, including grasslands, marshes, meadows, and open wetlands. Box turtles are optimistic omnivores. They feed on a variety of animals and vertebrates matter, including earthworms, snails, grubs, and grasses. They also feast on strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, and mushrooms. The the Spanish word for turtle is tortuga, and their shell protects them against predators like bobcats, lynxes, and foxes. But other predators like coyotes, fire ants, and some eagles have ways how to get to the chewy part of the turtle's shell. And box turtle. And one of the biggest predators to box turtles is cars. And they've been around since the age of dinosaurs. And you can tell the difference between a male and a female because of the colors and the smooth because of their shells. And there's another predator, and one of the biggest disadvantages to a turtle's shell is that if it's on its back, it can't get up.